Hi guys. I have been just asked what was the reason to enter FED, right? That's the most important thing to understand right now. Because like yesterday I clearly mentioned that if we get to my zone over here, we're gonna long, right? So that was the plan. So what were the things we were looking at? First of all, we need to understand that corrective waves can be complex. Okay, it's not easy to count every single time. So until unless you have your command on it, I won't really. I mean, you can try, but don't really rely on it. Okay. So as we can clearly see here, so we've made some type of a B, and a C type of a correction over here, right? Cool. Then we have a look here. We see another A, B, C. Perfect. Then you see A, B, C. So we are just correcting like A, B, C, A, B, C all the time. Okay. So come here and you see this gives you a big V, a big B, and a C. Okay. We took the liquidity up from here. We took all the highs, and so this particular wave, which was your A, B, and a C, a corrective wave to the upside, was clearly A, B, and a C for me on a bigger structure. Okay. For so this particular part was just wave A. Then we have this part, which is wave B. Okay. And then you have this last correction, which is wave C. Now we're gonna subdivide the last wave. Okay. Because if you try to subdivide all these waves, you may be able to, but then you will always remain in a doubt because corrective waves are just never clear. I mean, you can probably subdivide this part here in a small 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, but then this one gets really complex here. Have a look here. So probably you count this as 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5. It's possible to count this way, but it's really complex, right? Anyway, so we're going to subdivide this part. Come here and you see 1 and a 2, 3A, B, and a C, 4, and that's your 5. So I had clear wave count on FED in order to enter this position. About the wave count, okay? Now we're going to talk about what type of support levels we have. So we see we have a trend line support over here, right? So I anticipated that there will be a bounce in this region, one because of the trend line, and then you see on 4 hour you can simply just say this was the liquidity sweep over here. But if you check on 1 hour, you have a big support level here, right? So maybe not many people see it, or I don't know. It's one of the most bullish coins in the market, and there's just no way why you want to short it for like 10-20% gains when you can make like 40-50% to the upside. So I just don't understand. Like I'm not in a hurry to short FED just yet. But eventually I will be shorting it because I have a clear wave count. So this was the reason why I entered. So clear wave counts in this region, liquidity sweep on the 4 hour, 1 hour support level, and trend line support. I had four reasons. So now